all that makeup on, hiding your pretty face, blowing all your money in their salon, trying to find your place.
I'm Michala.
I'm Camille, and this is Michala and Camille's makeup survey. Okay, so our research question was, does how much time a girl spends on her makeup relate directly to how confident she feels about it? And this led to a rough hypothesis of, we think that the more time a girl spends on her makeup, the less confident she will be without it.
So our variable of interest was the confidence level of high school girls, and our population of interest is girls in high school. We basically just wanted to study the habits and general confidence of high school girls because it's a stereotypical problem of teenage girls is not feeling good enough or pretty enough without makeup.
Okay, so we're observing the effects of makeup on a typical high school girl's self-esteem, and the pressure for young girls to slather on 7 pounds of makeup every single morning for a natural look is a stereotypical problem, and we really wanted to know if it actually existed.
So first we asked how much time each girl spends every day on her makeup, no matter how little makeup she's wearing. Then we asked how confident or insecure they feel without makeup and what grade they're in.
We chose convenience sampling because we thought that was the easiest way to get high school girls to participate in our survey. We put together an online survey and carried our iPads with us for the girls to take said survey. We went to the one place where we thought we would find a large population of high school girls, the mall. So this is our first graph. It's a histogram. And down here is the time spent in minutes that each girl said she spent doing her makeup every morning. And over here is the number of people who said that's how long they spent doing their makeup. So, like, 8 people said they spent 30 to 31 minutes doing their makeup every morning, and 5 people said they spent 9 to 10 minutes, and so on.
So this is our dot plot. And basically, green is seniors, blue is juniors, and red sophomores, and purple is freshmen. And we noticed that, so this is our scale, is confident, above average, average, below average, and insecure. And we noticed that our freshmen are usually more towards the insecure part of the graph, and our seniors tend to be more towards the confident, above average. Everybody else is kind of scattered throughout.
So our mean was 27.8, and our standard deviation was 16.1. Our median was 25 minutes, our quartile 1 was 15 minutes, our quartile 2 was 38 minutes, our minimum was 3 minutes, and our maximum was 60. Our range was 57, and our distribution was seriously skewed to the left because the numbers were more closely clustered to the left of the median. The only outlier was 60 minutes because even though there were 7 of them, it was a huge jump from 60 to the number below it, which was 45.
So our null hypothesis was the true mean time spent on makeup by high school girls does not relate to their self-confidence. And our alternate hypothesis was the true mean time spent on makeup by high school girls inversely relates to their self-confidence.
Okay, so these are a couple statistical biases we found. So maybe the girls were uncomfortable saying how comfortable they were in front of their friends. So we thought this was the observer effect. And we also thought maybe they lied on the time spent question because they wanted people to think that their perfect makeup look was perfectly effortless. So that would be response bias.
Our data vary greatly, and this might raise some possible issues. Some girls who take a long time to do their makeup might just not be good at it, and others that are exceptionally fast might just be because they don't wear a lot of makeup.
So In conclusion, the majority of the girls felt average or worse when not wearing makeup. The main group of girls to say they felt insecure was the freshman class, and as the ages went up, the self-worth did too. We noticed that most of the girls who said they felt insecure without makeup spent 20 minutes or more just putting on makeup in the morning. This proves that our conclusion was, in fact, right. The more time a girl spends putting on makeup every morning, the less confident she feels about it. As people get older, they start to develop their own personal values, which reflect on how they see themselves and others. So instead of following typical ideas of beauty or textbook beauty, as women get older, they begin to develop their own views on what is beautiful.
And that's it.
Ta-da!
Why you putting all that makeup on?